Hey guys, this is Lorie at TMI Gifts, and we are going to do a patriotic bow. But I'm kind of thinking, I pulled some patriotic ribbon, and as I'm looking at it and I'm thinking about what I want to do, we have tons of patriotic ribbon. But I thought, what kind of pattern do I want to do? What do I want to put together? When I'm looking at all this, I always think I can do something odds different. Okay, so I'm thinking I could do this pattern here, which looks really good. That's pattern number 1. Or should we do pattern number 2? Or here's something different. That's different. Pattern number 3. Or pattern number 4. Lots of different things that we could do with these. I love this one. It has the baby blue and the darker color. This one has the burlap on it, and it has the tinsel edge on it. These are 1.5. This is a 7/8. This is a 4-inch. You don't necessarily have to use a 2.5-inch if you use enough of ribbons that are 1.5-inch. So do we want to do this pattern and then do this? Maybe we do this combo. So let's see what this will look like. Y'all let me know in the comments what your favorite pattern is, what you would do. These are all available at TMI Gifts. You can download our app for easy shopping. TMI Gifts app. It's a great tool. It's easy to shop on there. You see we do live sales on there. So it's a great app. We love it. Okay, so let's pair these. I'm gonna use this 4-inch crosshatch as my first ribbon. And this is great for mailbox. This is great for loop bows. This is just a great ribbon. It's very vibrant. It's got a different feel. It's not gonna fade. It's gonna last you a long time in the weather. And everybody that is decorating for 4th of July, this is a great product for any outside event, okay? Because it's gonna withstand that heat, and it's gonna withstand the rain, all the things. So I'm gonna do 1 loop, and then I have the stripes and polka dot right here. I love this one. Let's do a loop of it. Actually, we're probably gonna do 2 loops. This is very thick. This is a royal or a burlap feel to it. It's a very thick ribbon. It's a great ribbon. Quality. It's gonna hold up outside. That is so pretty. That is beautiful. Okay, now let's go in with a 1.5-inch crystal shine in a red. We do have this in a 2.5-inch and a 1.5-inch. This is kind of a staple all year long, okay? This is your Valentine ribbon. This is your patriotic. This is your Christmas. So you can't go wrong getting any crystal shines. I think we might even have this in a 4-inch if we're not sold out. Okay, and then I love this one because this one right here has that baby blue, that red, and this is just the Fireworks. It's got that white Fireworks in it, and it's the baby blue, the red, the royal blue. It's got a little touch of navy blue in it. So I want to do a loop of it with a long tail. And then I'm going to take 1 more, and I want to do me some loops at the top. Because I only have 1 loop, which is my 2.5-inch. Let's get me a shorter. Okay. All right, love that one. It's just a good coverage. It's just a really pretty one. Then we've got our 7/8-inch metallic blue one, and I'm just going to do a long tail, a little small loop, angle cut, and I am going to zip tie. just doing a couple of loops with some beautiful Patriotic ribbon. You can get on TMIGifts.com. Check out all of our Patriotic ribbons, all of our solids that we have. We have got you covered this year. And we also have some great Patriotic signs. Clean up all the ends. And look how pretty that Patriotic bow is.